Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2019 Chrysler Pacifica. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Pacifica is the ideal family hauler. Loaded with safety features and tech-focused amenities, it's powerful, quiet, agile, and offers flexible seating configurations. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, fog lamps, power liftgate, backup camera, remote engine start, third row seat, aluminum wheels, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control. Get into a family vehicle that's both fun to drive and works overtime to keep passengers safe. Come in and drive the Pacifica.